Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is my first vlog for the year. So we're here sa isang hotel sa Cebu, Bay Hotel. So punta natin yung rooftop kasi titingnan natin kung maganda pa rin yung scenery, kasi yung last na pumunta ako dito hindi ako nakapunta sa rooftop. So tara, let's go. Okay, 19th floor, 22 dito guys.
Going up.
Going up. Oo nga, going up. Okay, level 21. Saan? Here. Ito yung pool bar guys. So, tingnan mo natin. Okay, this is the pool. Yung pool guys. So guys, ito yung pool nila. Ito pa rin pool bar. Okay, makikita natin yung Cebu. Yan. Yan. Yan guys. Dito pwedeng inom paggabi. So yung room namin nandun lang.